as we already discussed that by those two events last year, the Koreans' attitude to China has been changed much, and it's more important. And I think Chinese position on Korean Peninsula will become more important in Korean public because there are two important elections in Korea. So I'd like to hear your thoughts from Chinese perspective.
If I may add a little bit, well, Director Hanley actually raised the issue that why all those favorability rating was going down, not just China, but also the U.S. In case of the U.S., I probably say that it's due to the errors. There's always error, and it's two different surveys done in different years. In China's case, I didn't do it, but I highly suspect that if you apply some statistical torque, that difference is probably very significant difference. So in case of U.S., it might be attributed to the error of the surveys, but in case of China, I think it's very significant, statistically significant difference. And also, it seems like a lot of the scholars are a little bit perplexed. Scholars are perplexed that fact that why China should have the burden of a nuclear program of North Korea. What you should remember here, especially when it comes to survey, is that it's not about the nuclear program. Well, it is sort of like a priming effect. When we ask people about some issue, then they do not really think it through. So, and then they just answer the thing that comes up to their mind first. So even though we are asking about the nuclear program, they are probably thinking about the most recent provocation by North Korea and also Chinese government reaction to it. Well, the 2010 annual survey was done after Cheonan, but before the Yongbyon Island. And in 2011, well, we know what happened in Yongbyon, both those two events and how the Chinese government reacted toward those two incidents. So, well, I would like to emphasize that, well, it has nothing to do with the six-man talks. Who was leading it? And who was, but maybe people, if we asked us the same question like 5 years ago, then probably the Korean government would answer the U.S. is responsible. But it was quite a remote memory for them. And nowadays, come to think of,